Hey, Mark Savage here, Savage on Wheels. We're at Road America today. It's kind of wet, it's kind of rainy. You can kind of see, I think behind me here, the Speedville Bridge. But we're out driving the Mazda CX50, which is their new sport utility vehicle, or crossover, whatever you want to call it. And it's pretty sharp. Here, we're going to show you what's going on here. This is the new crossover. This is basically the same size as their CX5, but it's on the same platform as the CX30, but it is about 5 or 6 inches longer than the CX5. They got a little lower roof line here, so you can put more on the roof, and it's been reinforced, so that's kind of cool. I like the wheels. Those look sharp. I love the nose. I've always loved the nose on the Mazdas. We'll show you the back end, and it is again, very sharp, very snazzy, and it's nice and quick. This goes anywhere from like $26,500 all the way up to $41,000. But you can get two different engine choices in it, and the turbo engine goes up to like 250 or 55 horsepower. So that's pretty awesome. Just a quick look inside. Hopefully we get to test drive one of these for a week or so. But again, good looking interior. We got some stitching here. That's nice. Seats look sharp with that same stitching in there. A little more leg room because it's a little longer vehicle than the CX50. And we're going to show you the back end here real quick. They're very proud of their low entry level here. So it's not very high. It's only, to me, just a little over, just a little below my waist. That's nice. A big open area. The seats fold down. Some big cargo spots there in the side. All good. So, looking for a crossover, something that gets decent gas mileage, isn't huge, carries the family of 4. It may not be ready for the track just yet, but it's quick enough.